Ex-BB Naija star Venita says God forbid as she rejects relationship between her cousin Neo and V. BB Naija Season 4 reality TV star Venita Akpofure has bluntly rejected a possible long-lasting relationship between her cousin brother Neo Akpofure and co-reality star V. In a live Instagram video, Venita was spotted alongside her friend in a car with her friends asking how she sees Neo and V's relationship. In her response, Venita, who frowned her face, said in a supposedly counter statement, "God forbid, no, no, stop that please, it can't be." And this got her friends, who weren't seen physically in the video, to burst into laughter.
Vio, Neo, Vio. Oh, Vio.
No. Don't stop that.
Vio.
Gabby.
But some family affair thing.
Gabby, you just stop.
Because that during the BB Naija lockdown reality TV show, Neo and his love interest V got lots of fans glued to the TV screens with their romantic moments in Big Brother house. Their love and care for each other, even with the back and forths, remained intact until the final week, when everyone got shocked and in a way to see them make it as two of the top 5 finalists. Meanwhile, V and Neo have been asked during post-eviction interviews what next with their relationship outside the house, and they made some positive responses, with V saying one time that she loves Neo so much and would like to spend the rest of her life with him. Nevertheless, Venita may not be an asunder to their union, as Neo had said in one of his interviews that it is left for him and V to decide if they will marry each other or not.